Every day, the remarkable progress made by Tesla leaves us in awe. It is truly mind-blowing to witness the continuous improvement of this groundbreaking company. In this video, we will delve into the exciting developments at Tesla and explore the potential factors contributing to its success. From forecasting stock prices to understanding the significance of profitability, we will explore the fascinating world of Tesla and its visionary leader, Elon Musk. Tesla's growth trajectory has been nothing short of extraordinary. With each passing day, the company seems to surpass expectations and redefine what is possible in the automotive industry. While some may find it hard to believe, the idea of Tesla reaching a market capitalization of $1 trillion is not as far-fetched as it may seem. To truly understand Elon Musk's mindset, we must consider the role of Optimus. While the concept of robotaxis has garnered significant attention, it is important to recognize that Optimus, Tesla's autonomous driving technology, is likely to play a pivotal role in the company's future success. By developing advanced self-driving capabilities, Tesla aims to revolutionize transportation and create a new paradigm for mobility. In a video discussing the potential for Tesla's stock price to reach $8,000, an interesting calculation was made. By considering a price-to-earnings (PE) ratio of 25 and assuming profits of $1 trillion, the earnings per share (EPS) can be calculated. Dividing the company's profits by the number of outstanding shares yields an EPS of $333.33. Consequently, multiplying this EPS by the PE ratio of 25 results in a share price of $8,333.33. This calculation aligns with the prediction made in the video, further emphasizing the potential for Tesla's profitability. As investors, we find ourselves questioning the reality of Tesla's success. It is difficult to comprehend the magnitude of the company's achievements and the opportunities it presents. However, we must acknowledge our immense fortune in being part of this journey. Tesla's continuous improvement and groundbreaking innovations have created a unique investment opportunity, and we are privileged to witness and participate in this transformative era. Tesla's continuous improvement is nothing short of astonishing. From its visionary leader, Elon Musk, to the groundbreaking technologies such as Optimus, the company is redefining the automotive industry. By considering the potential for profitability and calculating share prices, we gain insight into the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. As investors, we are fortunate to be part of this remarkable journey and eagerly anticipate the future advancements that Tesla will bring. As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.